today's video I will show you how to use EnjoyFeed app. Here homepage, next portfolio. You can see your portfolio, your balance. Next breeze. You can swap your token, any chain, any token, and point option. Here you can check your point. So homepage here, and you can see that lending and flexible term, earn with liquidity, lending and fixed terms. Lending and flexible terms, here you can supply and borrow. Supply API solve 54.4% and earn with liquidity USDC sol USDC APR 28.68% and lending with fixed terms 100 USDC 5% APR, 200 USDC 12% APR. So enjoy this dev and earn your crypto assets. Thanks watching for the video.